Hello again, RC car fans. I'm here today to talk to you about another, let's call it an upgrade we did on the ECX AMP MT trucks. I had an issue with the stock ESC receiver that we got that came with the truck. That's the stock, what is that, the ECX 13006. And in any case, what we ended up getting was an ECX, here we go, 13003 2.4 gigahertz receiver, waterproof 4-channel. This is the same receiver that the Horizon Hobby video that shows how to install the Taser Twin 2-in-1 brushless setup. This is what they use, because this receiver, the ECX 13003, works with the radio that came with the AMP MT. So by using this receiver, we can use the same radios. And that is what you see here in the blue balloon. Put the receiver in a balloon to keep it dust proof and a little more waterproof. So that's what we did. We're only using obviously the 2 channels, and eventually I think we'll be able to hook up LED lights to one of the open channels in here. There's always power going to it when it's powered up, so we won't be able to switch it on and off with a 2-channel radio, but with the 5-volt output on, I think it's channel 3 plug, we should be able to power LED lights for this thing. So then the other thing we did is we got the Dynamite 60 amp waterproof ESC for brushed motors. Now the nice thing about this is we can put lipos in here. Obviously we're running nickel metal hydride still, and I believe on the back it tells you that you can run it with a nickel metal hydride. You can run a 12 turn, 2S lipo down to a 12 turn, and then 3S you'd have to be at a 35 turn. So eventually we can run a 15 or 12 turn motor on this ESC with a 2-cell lipo if we wanted, and be able to get a lot more speed out of it. So that's why we got it. The ESC is mounted over here, and then, you know, obviously run the wires over to the receiver, and so far it's been working great. It's got forward, reverse, and brake. So when you hit reverse, it's basically the brake first, and then you hit it again and it goes backwards. So that's what we did. I gotta say, Horizon Hobby was really good about you know, getting us replacement parts, and also for all their technical support. They've helped us out quite a bit already with a couple of issues we had, including how to hook up the ECX 13003 receiver, because I couldn't find directions online, and when I first put it together, I actually had the signal wire in the negative side of the receiver. And that's one thing that doesn't show, and I can't show it to you now because it's in the balloon, but on the receiver it's hard to see it, but there's an S for your signal, which is your white wire, plus, which is your red wire, which is in the middle, and then negative, which is your black wire. So when you plug in your steering servo and your ESC, you got to make sure that the white wire is to the side that says S, and that's your signal wire. So that's all I got for now. Thanks. Bye.